welcome back to Rex Programming's Introduction to Python. In this lesson, we're going to be talking a little bit about the random module that comes with Python and how you can import it and use it within your programs. Let's get started. Go ahead and open up Atom, and in Atom, in your Rex Python folder, we're going to create a new folder called Imports. And in your Imports folder, we're going to create another folder called Random. Once in the Random folder, create a new file, and we're going to call this random number.py. And random number.py. So let's get started. First, in Python, Python allows you to import certain modules that can be either downloaded on GitHub or off other websites, or you can even create your own programs and then import them into other programs. So one of those modules that comes standard with Python is random. And once you import this random module, you can now use it in all of the methods that will come with it. And one of those methods is called random integer, randint. So let's say I want a number that is going to be random. What I can do is I can say random.randInteger, and now I can say between 1 and 50. And this will now give me a number between 1 and 50 every time randomly. 49, 37, 50, 14, 28, 12. So just by specifying my range, I can have a program automatically supply me a random number. I don't have to write a program to do it. It's already there for me. So what else could I do? Well, let's say you have to pick a choice from a list randomly. Well, you could do something like, let's say, a moves list, where you have a character that has a bunch of moves. Like he could have a high punch, a high kick, a low punch, and a low kick. And so if I wanted to choose a random move, I could do something where I could say move is equal to moves, and now I could say number, and I'll make my number, instead of between 1 and 50, I'll do it between 0 and 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3. So now I could print my move, right? High kick, low punch, high kick, low punch, low punch, low kick. All random moves every time I save and run. So that's how I could do this and do it randomly. But the random module also comes with another function other than random integer that makes this a little bit easier. And all it would do is, instead of having to declare a number, and instead of having to use that number, I could simply say move is equal to random.choice moves. And this will give me the same result, because it's going to pick a random choice out of all of the choices in moves. And now I'm getting a random move every time. But this way I don't have to figure out how many numbers are going to be at the length of my list or anything like that. I can just give them all of the choices and it'll pick a random choice for me. So you can pick a random number between a range of numbers, or you could pick a random choice between a list very easily just by importing the random module. That's it for today. Congratulations. I'll see you in the next video.